You mentioned you studied German and French, right?
Yeah.
How is the adjustment learning Italian right now? Is it natural for you because you already know
Mm.
other European language structures, or how is it
Mm-hmm.
right now?
Yeah, good question. Well, actually, since I've always mentioned that I've never really learned, like studied properly Italian. But
Mm-hmm.
I just always try to get it from my French knowledge because they're both Latin languages. So in a way, the
Mm.
structures and some words are kind of the same. When I came here, I've practically have no idea that much about Italian. I
Yeah.
Not at all. And then when they start talking to me, because for example, my parents-in-law, they don't speak English. And I
Mm.
live in the countryside here in Italy, where maybe 90% of people only speak Italian. And
Yeah.
of course, when I go out, it's always in Italian. Every
Yeah.
conversation is in Italian. And I don't know, maybe I just always say that I'm thankful that I learned French because it helped me a lot when I try to
Mm.
have conversations here. Not the pronunciation because it's completely different, but learning French, the structure, the words and things like that. It
Yeah.
helped me a lot with learning Italian. And the German thing, since we live in the north, we're near Austria in the Germany. So actually like an hour or two from here, people speak mostly German. So
Oh,
it's
did you get
a
to
cool
practice
combo.
your German
No.
now?